Yo, what's up guys? My name is ALFONSO. Welcome back to another episode. So today I'm going to be showing guys how you can shoot a YouTube video step by step. I'm going to share with you guys how you can use a camera, some audio. You can use a lavalier connected to your phone. You can get it on Amazon or eBay. It's really affordable. You don't have to get the $50, $60 one.
If you can buy a camera, I think you can buy this lavalier, but this is like $7 on Wish. Please don't judge me.
So you have a lavalier, you have a camera. Well, let's go back to the camera. A lot of people are still there, like, you don't have a camera. Well, a good alternative would be the Google Pixel 3. It's a phone. If you don't have a phone, I recommend the Google Pixel 3. It's a very good phone. Like the front camera, the back camera, they're all both good. So you have a phone or a camera, and now you have the lavalier. You connect that. So you download a memo app, or you already have a voice memo app on your phone. You make sure you connect this lavalier to your phone, and then you start recording. So before you press record, if you're still looking to invest, if you're still looking to waste more money, please make sure you buy some lights. You don't need lights. However, if you have a beautiful window, you can also use a window. Using lights is gonna help out. Why? If you're next to a window, the sound pollution is just horrible. So I recommend you get some softboxes. They're about $45 on YouTube. So I recommend you buy some softboxes on eBay or Amazon. You also should get a rim light for the back, something like a hair light. This little thing right here. You see this like orange part right here. You need to get a softbox because this softbox next to your camera is going to give you this soft. You don't want to have like your lamp or your like hard light. So now you have a camera, you have some audio, and you have some lights. The next thing you need to focus on is getting good content. Please make sure you research. Go on YouTube and look at other videos just like this one. You have your topics. Please make sure you get a notepad, super simple. You don't have to go write a whole essay, a whole book. Just write down your topics. You can improvise. Please make sure you press record, talk for 10 minutes by just having some like 5 things. I wrote down camera, audio, content, editing, upload. And what did I add? I added the light. Whoa, improvise. Yeah, that good. No, I just forgot what I should have had that before I shut it. So by having good content, having good things to talk about, people are going to want to listen to you. So you have the camera, the audio, the lighting, and the content. The next thing you want to learn how to do is when you upload or import your video into your editing software like Premiere or whatever you edit on. A couple things that I have learned when editing is just go for it. Like, don't be nervous. You're talking to a camera. Yeah, eventually it's going to be 100 million people. Or you're hoping that it is, but you're also hoping that it's not. So when you press record, please make sure you leave it recording because that's going to make it easier for you to synchronize the audio with the video. You don't want like pressing recording, then stop, record, then stop. You don't want that. That's going to be super hard to edit. You're not going to want that. You want one long video. If you mess up, stop for 3 seconds. And continue so you can have room for editing or whoever's editing. And my last few tips are for uploading onto YouTube. The first is for the titles. Please make sure your titles are descriptive. Your description is very descriptive. And don't forget to be adding those affiliate marketing links in your description because that's how you're going to be making some money. Also, make sure that you have captivating keywords. These keywords are great because you're going to be targeting your target audience. How does YouTube work? I'm not really sure. However, what I do know is that when YouTube does those closed captions, they're sending the AIs to transcribe everything you're talking about in the YouTube video. They're looking to see what you're talking about. Then they're going to match what you're talking about with your title, description, and tags. And they're going to rank you higher and higher and higher. Now, not just that, with the actual thumbnails, which we're going to be talking about right now. So let's make sure you know how to make a thumbnail. Super easy. While recording your video, do a bunch of poses. Look a little bit away. You can look back at the camera. Wink. You can add some tears, you know. Adding some tears is going to bring some sentimental value. You can always do clickbait. People are doing clickbait. So that was pretty much it, guys. That was how you can shoot a YouTube video on your own. If you like this video, please hit the like down below and subscribe to the channel because I'll be releasing more videos just like this. I love sharing my information with everybody. And I also have CaliProject Photography, which is a photography channel teaching people how to shoot photography. And if you like this kind of content, if you like learning, please subscribe to both of them. And I'll catch you on the next one.